Next is the product introduced. The main contact of my leaf show is the CAT 320D pump and related products and CAT series injectors. First, the complete CAT 320D pump. We can offer original and remanufacture. You can see the picture. It is divided into different model numbers. Please provide the specific pump number when ordering. CAT 320D pumps are divided into two types according to the engine type, which are suitable for the engine C6.4 and C6.6. C6.4 is 4 cylinders. For example, pump model number are 326, 4635, 296, 9126, 292, 3751. C6.6 is 6 cylinders. For example, pump model numbers are 317, 8021, 324, 0532, and so on. You can check on the picture. We can provide both original and remanufactured pumps. Sure, the original quality is very good. For the remanufacture, the pump body is old. The spare parts are brand new. We will test the quality before shipment. The price is more competitive. If you are interested in CAT 320D pump, you can leave the contact information or leave message to us. We will provide the best price to you. The only difference between the two pumps is the transfer pump. The following shows is the difference between the two transfer pumps. The left C6.4 transfer pump model number is 292367751. Had 2 oil holes on the cross section. You can see on the picture. And the right one is C6.6 transfer pump. Model number is 479571315. There are 3 oil holes. You can check on the picture.